If you're experiencing login failures in Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to optimize your login experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them. Outdated versions can lead to login issues. Step 5. Clear cache and data. If you're playing on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help. For consoles, power cycle your device. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. This can resolve conflicts that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.